Dear learner, today we are going to discuss about package tour. First one is meaning of package tour. Package tour is an advertised journey including accommodation, transportation, transfer, sightseeing, etc. arranged and promoted by a tour operator. A package tour means a pre-arrangements prepaid trip that combines two or more travel components like airfare, transfer, accommodation, sightseeing, etc. A package tour is sold with the help of brochure, advertisement in the newspaper, magazines, etc. The planning of package tour requires innovations and creativity. A package tour is also called as inclusive tour. It means a traveler pay in full before the start of the tour. Thus, after purchasing a package tour, a tourist has nothing to pay except for laundry, alcohol, shopping, etc. Next one is definition of package tour. A total tourism product consisting of transportation from market area to the destination, accommodation at the destinations and the recreational activities performed by the tourist. The origin of package tour goes to Mr. Thomas Cook in 1855. Cook introduced the first inclusive tour to Paris. Mr. Cook developed the concept of escorted tour. The concept is still used. Today, package tour are vital segments of the world travel and tourism industries. Next one is examples of package tour. Name of the package tour is Thailand Surprises. Number of days 5 nights and 6 days. Total price is 26,500. Destination to be covered Bangkok, Pattaya. Tour included airfare, accommodations, SVS, daily breakfast, buffet Indian dinners, transportations, travel insurance, tour manager services. This is for samples for package tour they offer in from India. Next one is components of package tour. First one is transportation. It includes return airfare, train fare, etc. Accommodation. It includes stay in hotels, motels, resorts on twin sharing basis, etc. Next one is transfers. It includes pick up from airport to hotel and vice versa. Next one is sightseeing. It includes local sightseeing in car or coach. Next one is meals. It included buffet, Indian breakfast, European plan, continental plan, modified American plan. Next one is travel insurance or medical insurance. It is an important service in these days. Tour manager services. It includes services of a tour manager or an escort tour guide. In this, the tour escort or tour manager travel with the tourist. Next one is types of package tour. Adventure tours packages, wildlife tour packages, Ayurveda tour packages, pilgrimage tour packages, beach tour packages. Next one is broad categories of package tour. Independent tours. Independent tours are prepared for those who want to travel independently. Several travel companies offer independent tours to inbound, outbound, and domestic tourists. Next one is escort tours. It is also known as a conducted tour when a company includes the service of a well educated, trained tour manager in its package tour. The tour is called as an escorted tour. The main duties of the escorted are to receive the guest at the airport, help in customs clearance, greeting, etc. The escort accompany the group till start of the tour to the end of the tour. Next one is hosted tours. A hosted tours means when an agency utilizes the service of another agency at a particular destination. For example, A group of French tourists are coming to India. Thus, at various destinations, different travel agency host them. Next one is incentive tours. It is a fully paid holiday which is given by the company to his employees as a reward. It is given to motivate the employees. For example, a government provides the schemes of leave travel concessions to employees once in a year. Next one is freedom tours. These tours are designed as per the choice of tourists. The tourists choose and plan that how they want to travel and enjoy their holidays. For example, Orbit Travel Agency promotes these tours. Next one is group inclusive tour. It is a prepaid tour in which tourists travel in group. Size of group is normally considered as 15 paxes. All the members of the tour are required to stay together. It is generally a discounted tour. Next one is foreign independent tour. Foreign independent tour is called as FIT or wealthy, rich and affluent traveler who travel independently. They get their tour tailored by travel agency. They know everything about their tour. Next one is classification of tour packages. Regular tour packages assembled based on the need or interest of a target market. Ad hoc tour packages that are tailor made to the requirements and specifications of a particular traveler or group of travel. Thank you very much for watching.